Norski Tools KORR 2-piece wingnut driver. They are made from chrome vanadium steel with manganese phosphate coated to prevent rust and corrosion. They can save you a lot of time installing hurricane shitters or twisting wires, fastening or loosening wing nuts, bolts, C-hooks, and Q-hanger hooks. They can help you finish your job quickly and efficiently. They are designed to tighten or loosen Q-hanger hook, C-hook, twist wires, or install hurricane wing nut. Virutex C015 liters portable slitter and cutter. A must-have tool for doing any laminate work, and a huge time saver with perfectly straight, smooth edge results. Durable cutting wheels that are minutely adjustable for various thicknesses of materials to perfect the cut. The KLEEN laminate slitter can be adjusted to cut strips from 12 to 110 millimeters wide. It is a special system of cutting made of 2 wheels that make a very clean cut, with no waste, and with a guide to keeping the stripe straight. It has a quick adjustment lever and a minute precision threaded knob for adjusting strip width and a locking nut. RECA TT terrace connector. The invisible TT fixing allows assembly of groove decking boards. The invisible TT fixing is positioned between 2 decking boards. The sliding plate inserted in the grooves of the slat makes it possible to compensate for the swelling or the retraction of the slats of the terrace. This type of function is only suitable for materials with high dimensional stability. Pony's Deep Reach Pipe Clamp Fixture. These clamps combine the strength and utility of a traditional pipe clamp with the deep reach of a bar clamp. Perfect for glue-ups of thicker materials or working around obstructions. They are designed for use of a 3/4 inch pipe that offers 2.5 inches of reach. By reversing the heads, they can quickly and easily be converted to spreader clamps for added versatility. The wingnut handle provides a low-profile tightening mechanism that is ideal in tight quarters. And the cast iron construction with multiple disc clutch provides exceptional strength and durability. Hilmor's Ratcheting Plastic Tubing Cutter. When you need reliability on the job, get a hold of Hilmor's 2-3/8 Ratcheting Plastic Tubing Cutter. An ergonomic, cast aluminum body and bicarbon steel blade increase the life and durability of this tool, while both handles easily pull apart to quickly start the next cut. KLEEN's Antimicrobial Safety Cutters and Knives. Now, select cutters you rely on every day are being manufactured with antimicrobial properties. The newest line of antimicrobial KLEEN safety cutters, the perfect complement to your existing hygiene protocols, the same safety cutters you love. The same performance, the same concealed blade, the same security and safety for your employees, and products are now antimicrobial too. Feel confident in grabbing a KLEEN safety cutter today. Pandrol Vortok Stressing Roller. The Vortok Stressing Roller is designed to attach to the rail fastening and, by means of a rotating lift arm and bearing, contact the underside of the rail head to lift the unclipped rail from the sleeper. Once lifted, the rail can be moved with very low friction for the purposes of rail stressing. The resultant stress distribution is, therefore, optimized. The VSR can also be used for changing rail pads. Garden Weasel Clopro. The Garden Weasel Clopro is designed to cultivate, loosen, aerate, and weed even on clay and other heavy soils. The tines can be adjusted to work in tight settings for weeding, medium settings to cultivate, and large spaces for tilling. The long handle combined with the comfort grip leads to no bending or lifting. The carbon steel design makes the Weasel Clopro weather and rust resistant. Aside from the Weasel Clopro's incredibly durable and rust-resistant steel, They are so confident in the durability of this tool that it comes with a lifetime warranty for years of reliable gardening activities. The Weasel Claw Pro comes fully assembled, weighs less than 3 pounds, and is 38 inches long. PREXISO's Anemometers. These instruments are ideal for use in measuring wind speeds, in indoor and outdoor climate conditions, testing HVAC systems, or even sailing and other outdoor sports and activities. The PX30B is a compact model with a wind speed measurement range of 0.3 to 30 meters per second and a temperature measurement range of -10 to 45 degrees Celsius. Its compact size allows for precise measurements on the go. The PX30C features a larger impeller wind speed measurement range of 0.8 to 30 meters per second and a temperature measurement range of -20 to 60 degrees Celsius. It offers functions to measure air velocity, airflow, and area. Milwaukee SDS Plus Dust Trap. The Milwaukee SDS Plus Dust Trap is the industry's first OSHA-compliant solution without a vacuum, ideal for overhead drilling applications. The universal fit allows the dust trap to work with all SDS Plus rotary hammers and SDS Plus drill bits up to an 8 length, including stock bits and other anchor installation tools. The clear sleeve allows visibility while the locking mechanism enables easy storage on the job site. The compact, collapsible design is ideal for tough-to-reach places, providing superior productivity. ZIDS Duct Cutting Tool. The ZIP Interduct Slitter Tool. Interduct Slitter is the fastest, safest, and handiest device for interduct splitting currently on the market. This interduct splitter can cut through pipe walls within seconds and with little effort. GMP Parallel Pull. General Machine Products Parallel Pull Bridle Tool can be connected to any GMP J2 or C2 lasher, enabling parallel pull capability. The parallel pulling feature allows GMP J2 and C2 lashers to be easily pulled parallel to stand when obstructions such as roadways or vegetation prevent downward pulling force on the lasher drive system. The added weight of the parallel pull bridle tool increased downforce of the drive wheels on the strand, improving traction, reducing bouncing, and providing more grip in wet and icing conditions. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.